Martin Geller represents a clear and attainable model of modern business success. He is not a figure born of sudden viral fame or a single high-risk gamble that paid off against all odds. Instead, his story is one of methodical progress, built on discipline, practical learning, and strategic patience. The proof is in the steady, verifiable growth of his net worth and the sustained profitability of the businesses he has built. His journey offers a transparent blueprint from modest starts to meaningful independence. This essay will explore his career, business development, financial success and advice, and the businesses he owns. A practical playbook rooted in timeless principles, relevant today as when he began. Martin Geller's journey began not in a boardroom but in a junior role. He started in the early 2000s at a mid-sized marketing firm. He showed diligence, early starts, meticulous execution, thoughtful questions. He sought out difficult tasks to learn faster and signal reliability. A reputation for dependability led to leadership opportunities. He was promoted to team leader and learned to delegate and coach. Leadership, he learned, is enabling talent, not giving orders. He progressed to strategy roles, mastering P&L, CAC, and market share. He modeled initiatives, pitched executives, and negotiated key contracts. By the early 2010s, he saw market gaps his employer could not fill. With a decade of skills, he stepped out to build on his own. He planned his exit meticulously, not impulsively. The problem: SMBs lacked strategic advice they could afford. Start small, minimize risk, no fancy office, no big staff. He used personal savings and tapped his network. Deliver value, collect proof of concept, publish case studies. Disciplined, data-informed growth. Track every lead and close rate. Identify receptive industries and effective pricing models. Reinvest only with clear ROI. Cut what does not perform. Lean iteration enabled quick adaptation and sustainable scaling. He built mentors and partnerships, including an accounting bundle. Profit seeded a small SaaS to automate client workflows, a repeatable formula: prove, systemize, delegate, expand. His wealth story is steady accumulation, not a lottery win. Phase 1: corporate career, promotions and bonuses. He saved diligently, building initial capital. Phase 2: his firm's net profit exceeded his old salary by year 2. He focused on high-margin niches and strict cost control. Healthy cash flow became the engine for investments. Selective startup bets compounded alongside stable income assets. Income real estate hedged volatility and added passive cash flow. By 2025, a multi-million net worth and seven-figure income, largely independent of his daily time. Not one brilliant move, thousands of small, smart decisions over decades. A disciplined process proves wealth can be systematically created. Martin's philosophy: simplicity and discipline, accessible to anyone. Automate savings and pay yourself first on payday. Make saving a priority, not an afterthought. Small, consistent deposits can grow substantially via compound interest. Live below your means and avoid lifestyle inflation. Cut waste. Route the gap toward investments or debt reduction. Build a liquid emergency fund to protect your plans. Defense prevents panic selling and high-interest debt. Invest in financial literacy, basics of budgeting, investing, and business. Knowledge helps you spot opportunities and avoid scams. A simple system, repeated, builds lasting wealth. By late 2025, his business interests form a balanced portfolio. Cornerstone: Geller's Strategic Advisory, high-margin advice for select clients. It is the cash cow funding other ventures without outside capital. TeamSync Solutions grew from client needs into a scalable SaaS. Recurring revenue and expanding users drive valuation and net worth. He holds minority stakes in 5 to 7 early-stage companies, focused in fintech and sustainable energy, with hands-on advising. Real estate adds passive income, appreciation, and inflation hedging. Together, they embody his risk-balanced, resilient wealth philosophy, a system of cash flow, Scale, diversification, and prudence underpins it all. Calm, repeatable execution beats hype and headlines. Geller's career proves remarkable success comes from deliberate consistency. Not luck, not one big idea, but a methodical climb. Hard work, continuous learning, smart, incremental moves. The record shows disciplined advancement and verifiable profitability. He built systems, cultivated networks, and managed risk with data. It prioritizes fundamentals over fads. Save first, live below your means, create surplus to grow. Test cheaply, validate with data, then scale with systems and teams. Diversify across assets to weather any market storm. Start now. Audit your habits. Are you saving systematically, learning weekly, and testing ideas small? The tools are simple, the steps are clear, and the opportunity to begin is now.